What is going on, guys? This is Mohammed with Express Car Reviews. Today I want to show you how to turn your headlights from looking like this into this. All you need is the $6 or $7 Turtlewax Headlight Lens Restorer kits from AutoZone or O'Reilly's and a piece of cloth. That's it. You don't need to buy sandpaper separately. You don't need to buy anything else. This is literally all you need, and you can use this multiple times on multiple cars as well. So without any further ado, guys, let's get to it. Okay, so you need to start on a clean headlight. So I'm just going to go ahead and start the first step by rinsing my headlight with some little bit of water. This is just water in here. Now you're going to go ahead and grab your headlight lens restorer kit, open it up. So you're going to grab this bad boy right here. It's a spray lubricant. It's basically a water alternative just to help you, in the sanding process. The cool thing about this kit is that it has these pads already numbered. So it tells you which one to use, number 1, and then 2, and then you have 3 and 4. So they're numbered and colored for you, so you're not going to be able to mess this up even if you wanted to, really. Just start by the numbers, follow the numbers. Number 1 is like the hardest one, and it goes all the way to number 4, which is the smoothest one for the surface. So we're going to go ahead and start with number 1. All you have to do really is just go ahead and spray some of this lubricant stuff. And then with the number 1, you're going to go ahead and rub the whole entire headlight. Make sure to have a towel handy so you can clean off the excess sanding that comes off. You see, you can already see all this grit comes out of the headlight right away, guys. It's crazy. Use it and then clean this off. Again, a microfiber towel is way better than this, but something is better than nothing. And then repeat this process for number 2, 3, and 4. Now one last time with number 4. Alright, the last tip, we're going to go ahead and apply lens clarifying compound on this headlight right here, and then just make sure to give it a nice good wipe down and just wash it off, and that should be it. Fine. Also, I forgot to mention one thing to seal it all off. You need this lens sealing wipe, also comes in the package. Just go ahead and wipe the headlight with it and it should give you that nice finish, polished finish. Ooh, yes. That looks good. Beautiful finish, guys. Looks so good. Now I'm gonna give the car a nice wash after this dries off. Look at this. So good. I love it. So there you guys have it. This is how you restore your headlights. If you like this video, guys, make sure to hit the subscribe and the bell button. It's going to help me out a lot, and I'm going to be bringing you more car content and car hacks for your benefit and just to have fun as well. So till next time, peace.